When it comes to marketing your business, content marketing still reigns supreme. But what kind of content should you be creating? What do your clients and prospective clients want to hear about? That's what we're going to cover in this week's Real Estate Marketing Minute. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. There's a ton of places you can be creating content for: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, your website, and many more sites where your clients are hanging around online. But what kind of content should you post? As a realtor, you've got a gold mine of content that you could be posting. Pictures, real estate memes. People love easily digestible, scrollable media. That's why Instagram even exists. Photos of listings, neighborhoods, pros and cons, renting versus owning, condo versus townhouse, city versus mountains are all popular concepts to post about. Testimonials and reviews, customer quotes, video testimonials, and success stories sharing how you've helped others go a long way to ensure your prospective clients can trust you. 92% of people trust recommendations from their friends and colleagues, and 70% trust recommendations from people they don't even know. Informational posts. Realtors are involved with real estate every day, but your clients only deal with it once every 5 to 7 years on average. Keeping your sphere up to date with changes in the market, mortgage information, steps involved to buy or sell, and other industry news and information is important as well. Listings and open houses. Of course, you want to be sure you're marketing your listings. Teaser images and videos, virtual tours, open houses, they're all great pieces of content to keep your prospective clients engaged with your brand. The last one I have for you is to just ask them. Poll your audience on each platform and see what type of content they're looking for. As a realtor, you have a ton of context for all things real estate, even beyond just buying and selling. So ask your clients what they have problems with, what sort of information they would like you to provide. You'll get much more engagement with your brand if you're showing up relevant and timely. Now, this is a perfect time for me to ask you, what type of content do you want? Do you need help with social media, websites, marketing? Should we do interviews with top producing brokers in our area or vendors with great products? Should we focus on photo tips and information or broaden out to real estate marketing in a more general sense? Let us know down in the comments. We want to hear from every one of you. I've enjoyed making these videos over the last 6 or 7 months so far, but I'm here to serve, and I'd like to make sure we're delivering valuable content to you all. At Servant 360, we feel realtors shouldn't have to put up with inconsistent results from their marketing providers. And that's why we provide consistent quality photos, floor plans, virtual tours, and videos to help realtors just like you sell more houses faster and for more money. Help us spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing these videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.